Okay, we're going to do the practice test here. Let's go to our file menu and open up the project. I downloaded it to my desktop and here it is. Okay, and here is my practice test. I need to change the font size to 20, the style to bold italic, and the font name to Verdana. So here's my sprite font. Change the name. Change the size to 20 and change the style to bold, comma, italic. It has to be exactly like it is up here, character for character. And then I'm going to close that, and yes, I want to save it. And it takes care of my font stuff. Now, enumerated types. Declare enumerated data type called game state that has 3 values: splash screen, playing, and game over. So we know how to do that. It's going to be up here in my declarations. Whoops, enumerated. Just list the values. And then I want a variable, and I want to initialize it to splash screen. So the type is game state. The variable is game state with a lowercase g. And then I want to initialize it, so we'll go here and we'll do game state equals return dot splash. Okay, and that takes care of enumerated types. Now we want to load the font into the font variable. That's going to be in content.loads. So font is the name of my font variable equals content.load. It's a sprite font, and the name of it is just plain old font. Okay, what else do we need to do? Load splash.ping into the splash screen texture variable. And splash.ping. Okay, content load texture 2D, and it's just called splash. Okay, set the splash screen rectangle equal to 0, 0, 800, 480. So there's my rectangle. Load the Darth into the texture field of the Darth variable. Okay, so Darth dot texture equals content dot load and then we got a bunch of fields we want to initialize here, and to make my life a little bit easier, I'm going to copy those over and open up a blank line here, and that didn't do much good opening a blank line. But Darth dot position equals new vector 2 and then we have the source rectangle. It's also a field of the Darth variable equals rectangle color. Rotation. Okay, two more things. We got to set the scale equal to 1. Got to set the effects. Okay, load the ta-da wave sound file into the ta-da sound effect. Sound effect. And create a sound effect instance. Okay. Whoops, spelled ta-da wrong. Oops. So sound effect create instance. And we've been going for a while, so we'll stop there.